Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to create a cool image accordion without any code at all. To see what the video looks like, keep watching until the end, okay? And don't forget to subscribe.
Okay, for first time, we need to install essential add-ons for Elementor and then activate it. Okay, let's get started. Type this image accordion. Image accordion like this and drag here like this and click image accordion 1, choose image and insert image, for example like this. Click and change the title. For image accordion 2, change image as well. Like this. For example, do the same for the other image as well. Image accordion 3 and image accordion 4. And done. And we can set accordion style like on click, or set on hover. And we can create other style. Click plus, flex box, direction column, click plus, container, click plus, container again, and we can copy, right click, copy and paste here. Click this icon and direction vertical like this, and we can change the image. Choose image and we can change the title. And like this. We can set click icon for accordion style, on click or on hover. Click, 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 click or on hover like this.
Okay, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment so I can make more videos like this. Thank you.